Hello, good day everyone. Today we will see how to add multiple tools into a panel in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. First go customize user interface, CUI, enter. Current workspace, AutoCAD. Okay, go ribbon, click here. Go panels, click here. Home 2D draw panel here. Home 2D modify panel here. Home 2D modify panel dialog box, launcher, click here. Go row 2, click here. Search command list, add selected command tool, select, drag and drop here. Search command list, text scale command tool, select, drag and drop here. Okay, apply, okay, modify, add selected, text scale, okay, again go CUI, enter, ribbon, panels, home 2D modify, row 2, add selected, right click, remove, yes, text scale, right click, remove, yes, apply, okay, modify, okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.